morning students, welcome to my third video lecture of revision chapter 2 standard 7 fractions and decimals. Before I start my teaching, I would like to introduce our textbook of maths. It is from S. Chan Smart Maths standard 7. You can see the first page of our book. All of you mostly have bought this book. Who they did not buy till now, please go to bookshop and buy this book, so you can use this book while Zoom class and whenever you are going to watch videos. Thank you. Now we will move forward for our revision. Fractions and decimals standard 7 chapter 2. In this video lecture we will discuss about division of a fraction. So whenever you are going to divide any fraction with other fraction, the most important thing is reciprocal of a fraction. So what is the reciprocal of fraction? Here you can see that reciprocal of fraction means inverse of a fraction. For example, 1/2 is the reciprocal of 2, and similarly 2 is the reciprocal of 1/2. So 1/2 into 2 is equal to 1. For example, 4. So 4 and 1/4 both are reciprocal of each other. So 4 is a reciprocal of 1/4 and 1/4 is a reciprocal of 4. So what is the two factors whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. The most important thing, it is like additive inverse. You have learnt additive inverse in first chapter. For example, -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So -2 and 2 both are reciprocal of each other. Here it is for multiplication and division. The factors whose product with each other is 1 called reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal of mixed fractions. How will you find out reciprocal of mixed fraction? Here my first mixed fraction is 14 2/3. So whenever you have to find out reciprocal of the mixed fraction, first you have to convert mixed fraction into proper fraction. So here I have converted mixed fraction into proper fraction. Then you have to find out the reciprocal of that fraction. So 44/3 is a proper fraction for 14 2/3. And what will be the reciprocal of 44/3? 3/44 is the reciprocal for 44/3. Division of a whole number by a fraction. When you want to divide any whole number by fraction, what will you do? Here 3 divided by 2/5. So when this kind of situation is there, what we will do? We will multiply that whole number with reciprocal of given fraction. So 2/5 is a fraction which one is given to us. So what we will do? We will find out reciprocal of 2/5. So what is the reciprocal of 2/5? 5/2 is the reciprocal of 2/5. So now 3 into 5/2. So 3 into 5 divided by 2. 3 5s are 15 divided by 2. So like this you can do division of whole number by fraction. And this is the equation which can be useful for you. A divided B, so is equal to A multiplied by reciprocal of B. Next one, to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. In this whole chapter of fraction, whenever you have to divide, you have to keep one thing in your mind. The second fraction, you have to find out reciprocal of second fraction. Here you can see that 12/5 divided by 5/2. So what we will do? We will find out reciprocal of 5/2. And 2/5 is the reciprocal of 5/2. 5 by 2 is the fraction. So what will be the reciprocal? 2 by 5. So now we will multiply 12 by 5 with 2 by 5. So here I have multiplied it. So 12 by 2, 12 into 2 divided by, so it will be like this, 12 multiplied by 5 by 2, and here it is also 2. So, 5 it is there, 5 it is there. So what will be there? 5 will be go, so answer will be 12 by 2, and 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Like this you can simplify the fractions. By mistake it is given wrong, so it will be like this, 12 by 5 multiply by 5 by 2, so 5 will be go away, 12 divided by 2, and when 12 divided by 2, answer will be 6. Next one, division of fraction by a whole number. For example, we want to divide 3 by 5 divided by 2. So here we have to find out reciprocal of 2, and as we know, reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So it will be like this. So now 3 ones are 3 and 5 twos are 10. So answer will be 3 by 10. Division of two mixed fraction. So whenever we have to do division of two mixed fraction, what we have to do first? We will convert mixed fraction into proper fraction. First step done. Second step, we will find out reciprocal of second fraction. So it is 2 by 15. Then simply multiply. So here we have done. We have simplified 6 1 by 4. It will become 25 by 4 divided by 15 by 2. Now we will find out reciprocal of 15 by 2. It will become 2 by 15. So it is like this. Now multiply, and then it is, when we simplify we get 5 by 6. So you can do these things because I know all of you have learned all these things in standard 5th. Next one. This is an example. Total weight of 9 boxes of nails is 49.5 kg. How much does each box weigh if weights are distributed equally in each box? Total weight of 9 boxes of nail is 49.5 kg. So 49.5 kg divided by 9. So now what we will, because we have to find out weight of one box. Total 9 boxes are given. So we will divide weight of total boxes by number of boxes. And here, as we know, we will use reciprocal of 9. Reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. So we have simplified. So it is 99 by 2 and multiply by 1 by 9. Because we have to use reciprocal of 9. So now 11 nines are 99. So 9 will go away. So 11 by 2 is our final answer. Now this is one more sum, simplified. Here you can see that the weight of 9 boxes of nails is 149.5 kg. How much does each box weigh if weights are distributed equally? So what we will do, we will simplify first mixed fraction to proper fraction. So it is become 99, and like this we have discussed this sum. So we will move forward for next one. Next one is like this. Simplify. 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 4 plus in the bracket 9 by 6 multiplied by 12 by 3. So first what we will do, we will simplify the terms which are in the bracket. So we will simplify first this one and this one. So 5 by 2 divide by 3 by 4. So what we will do? 5 by 2 multiply by reciprocal of 3 by 4. And the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So here I have written. Here 9. It is simple multiplication. No need to find out reciprocal. Now first we will multiplication which terms are given in the bracket. Then we will do addition. So I have done like this. So answer is 20 by 6 and here it is 108 by 18. Now denominators are not same. So we cannot add. So we have to find out LCM. LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. So here we will not have to do anything, but here we have to convert 6 into 18. So here I have multiplied by 3. So 20 multiplied by 3 divide into 6 multiplied by 3. So numerator and denominator both will multiply by 3. So we will get like this 16 by 18 and 108 by 18. Now we will add, so 168 by 18. So now we will convert this into mixed fraction. How we will convert? So 18 9s are 162. So here it is 6. So we will write down 9 6 by 18. Like this we will get answer. Again we can do something. 9 6 by 18 will be our answer. So we have converted in mixed fraction. And till you can convert 9. Now 6 and 18. So it will be like this. 9 1 by 3. Because 3 6 are 18. Like this you can find out answers. You can convert it into mixed fraction. Now assignment, find the value of the following. We have discussed this one. You can do it easily. Here also you can do it easily. You have to divide, find the value of the following by dividing. So here you have to divide 1124 divide by 7 by 8. In second here 5 by 9 divide by 1 by 3. You have to divide it. Understood? It is not written, so that's why I am telling you and I am informing you what you have to do in first and second sum. Third sum. By what number should 6? Here it is 6. 2 by 9. Be divided 2, 4, 2 by. What number should be divided to contain 4 2 by 3? You have to find out that one. Here it is also like this. Find the fraction which when multiply 3 by 4 with 66 divided by 7. If you this one and this one, it is not written properly, so don't do these two. But this first and second you have to do it. And if you are having any problem or any doubt, please forward it to me. I will give you answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day.